The time is finally here. Every drop of sweat in the practice pen has led to this very moment. The most anticipated rodeo event in Stillwater is about to take place, but there's still a little more practicing to do.
In my personal opinion, it's one of my favorite rodeos probably ever. I was blessed with the chance to win that my freshman year, and it's a really cool experience.
Cade Williams has a unique perspective on the Cowboy Stampede. Although this is only his second year on the rodeo team, he's already won once. Since then, the Cowboy Stampede is pretty special to him.
I feel like it's one of the more crowd-involved rodeos. It's heavily marketed to students too, so there'll be like a student section at a rodeo, which I think is a really cool thing, and it's like your home rodeo.
I'm excited because it's my first experience. I'm pretty pumped to see what it's about.
This is Kirsten Hampton's first year at the college rodeo scene. After transferring to OSU from Purdue, she says she's excited to rope for the first time at the event.
I know that we have some pretty cool things that we're going to do this year to try to get the crowd involved, and I'm excited to see what the crowd does when we do those events.
You know, it's a lot of work, and it's a little different than, you know, the typical rodeos that we travel to, because the students not only are practicing and preparing for competition, but they also participate in putting the rodeo on and a lot of the production too.
I think that it's such a good show, and it really shows us what Cowboys are, and so to have everybody show up and support, especially from the university, that says a lot about what we are as OSU. And I know a ton of people that aren't from around here at all, and they come down just to watch because it's such a good event. I don't know that I've ever been to a rodeo where everyone talks so highly about tickets being sold out and everybody being there to support. So that will be new for me, and I'm excited to see that.
I'm just kind of excited to be back and rodeoing in Stillwater, especially. I feel like last year it was the first rodeo that went well for me, my freshman year, and I was super nervous at the start of it. And I feel like this year I'm going into it with a little bit more of a comfortable feeling, a little more like not necessarily laid back, but more confident. So I'm excited to see what it holds for me this year.
These students put a lot of time and effort into this event. From long days practicing in the heat to pulling all-nighters to study, the dedication these students have for their sport is unmatched. You can guarantee if you drive by after dark, there will be someone out in that arena doing whatever it takes to win.
Like us ropers, we'll rope the dummy until the sun goes down. So we're here a lot.
I think the students do a great job of producing this rodeo, and we've had a really good rodeo for our team the last few years, so I always look forward to that. I think they take full advantage of having a home rodeo and getting an opportunity to perform in front of their friends and family and do a really good job. I think you'd want to come out and watch because we got a really great team. The students are working hard to prepare, and I think they're really going to show up and show out for our rodeo.
It's one of those things, you can't really explain it as well as you can just feel it. You just feel the energy at the arena. The crowd's very involved. Stillwater is Cowboy town, and it's just a super cool place to get to go compete.
So you guys ready to win?
Oh yeah, we're gonna bring it home this year.